Ghana Revenue Authority Farmer Dodo Yocho again Tanopa Wawenya America Eva Award Takpekple Aflao Ple Adumavio le Aflao Untome Ike Tanope Yawenya America Edicha Ide Aflao Bole Upe Fiasama Ikenye Tobi fiti amenya ajongaga pa Fiasama Iva Adenumane Aleke Yua we plus sube Aflao na no ngogba na yo plus suba wa adanuma na adumavio kude haleke ojabo wajoaga na makan opebe afia weji koyo ato afi aho nu sosoro ya akoda chi na adumavio ye afia wo nya meyola aduongo eke wawe adanu ya mana adumavio eke ojawagba ide tobi amanya fiti ajongaga pa afia sama yova dogo fia vovo kude aleke wawe be susu be wanana je anyi na makan ochula of my ide Aflao sector commander Tanofa eke over adanuma afia sosno gere afia aduaja.
As of now, it is only few who are paying tax to take care of all of us, and because of that, the government is not able to do enough the thing that we are expecting him to do. So we thought it so well that this year, let's come to our fathers. They know how to talk to their children, and their children listen to them very well than us. So that when they also add their voice, we will see improvement. We have started, we have gone to the Methodist Church, we have gone to the Chief Imam, we have gone to the Dhamma Church, and we are here today at Aflao, and this is not the end. We are going to go around all the influential leaders in society, and we want to plead with them to partner with us, tell their children that we need the taxes. The taxes are for us. It's for the road. The roads are not good. The taxes is what they use to pay the doctors, the clinic, the nurses. Everybody has somebody who is working in the ministry or government institution. It's the tax that are used to pay them. You can just imagine one day you go to the hospital, the doctors are not there because there's no money to pay them. People will lose their life. You go to the police, they are the people and the soldiers defending us, and they are not there. So, Toby, if we are here today, this is our message. We want to partner with you to talk to the people under you that we need the taxes. Whatever small you are doing, it is your responsibility, civil responsibility, that you give some to the government or other people. And Nakata Penyaba, the Congo, Bereka, Ebeaka, and near Washington, that India, the Gogan Gogadi, Nikata, Yamo, no woman, when not that bloody, no Guma, Uma, Wabilo, and never Yaha is a don't want them happy for that land. Don't be. Never and not queer or what you again, one and all.
Grupo menye emede bebeto ta nye bebe a mesubo plenty. But like my boss said, we are here to dialogue with you for us all to help in contributing the little we can for the development of Ghana. That is why we are here. In my Khan language, they will say, "Wonsum, woninipa." Without you, without us, whatever contribution we have, our nation Ghana cannot be what we expect to do. So that's why we're here.
One of the things that all of us are praying for is peace within the traditional council and the traditional area. Because once there's peace, we will be able to collect our taxes and our work will go on very well. I'm talking about peace because I happen to be the board sec chairman, that's the border security chairman of Aflao. So I thought I should use this platform as an occasion to also appeal to our chiefs and members of the Traditional Council that we want this place to be very peaceful so that everybody can go about his work peacefully and everybody will be relaxed. Our doors are open to everybody. If you have any problem and you need to talk to us, please don't hesitate. Come around and talk to us. National security has a policy that see something, say something. We know that our next door neighbor, there were some attacks there. We do not want similar things to happen in this area. Because if I'm sitting in my office trying to collect tax and I hear there's an incident somewhere, I have to leave whatever I'm doing and ensure that there's peace there. So I'm pleading especially the migrant communities that try to live in peace with your neighbors and try to draw attention to some of the things that go on. We know that people like to move goods through unapproved routes. We're also using this occasion to plead with you that come to us physically. Whatever help there is, we'll give you that help. Because sometimes I feel sad that some of us, we use unapproved routes, and when you are arrested, we have to slap penalties on you. And the penalties are said that there's very little we can do about it, because these are issues about law. Once you place a detention receipt on an item, you can't ask the fellow to just go and pay the duty and take his thing away. The fellow would have to pay with a penalty. And sometimes it pains me that our own kid and kid, you realize that the fellow doesn't have much. He was trying to hide the items because he didn't even have the money to pay the duty. Now you have arrested the fellow, you're asking the fellow to pay with penalty. It makes it bigger. So what I'm rather pleading is that let's rather come to the offices, and then whatever help we can also give you, we give you that help so that you can peacefully do your trading business. You can peacefully take your things across without difficulty. But when you use unapproved routes and we arrest you, it's not the best for us at all. And we don't enjoy doing that to our own people.
Yo, Nkonyenya Atisu Josephine. Mara kuku o kpemi gba mi va enya yo gblɔ eme kɔ ya gake ega xexe ɖe nua ɖo ta ye koe ɖe funa mi ye ta afi ya mi le fifi le mie nyanye ɖeka ya me dzidzim questions wo le asinye me dzi be ma bia wo elabe zi geɖe agblemeŋku gbogbo tɔwo mi mekpɔna wo le míaƒe afi ya o. Ta de mi na Togo me afi ve pleni afi mi agere Togo me ha echa bieje ve fifia bieje tone hehe ga fia yi trotro gbo ha ga hege ne drogba de ta ha efe hege ra gbata enchita nyanya me wola lamba na mado glo wo question so vo nya ha question la shinya na ma bia wo bode ka kpa ma de le ke wo we na mi no ka de me na mi elabe ale ke gagbagban ha va yi ji ne mi gban ga fia 26 plovo avec plein wa voiture na mi gbona mi aga no fu gbogbo mo pon de mi anto na he fore do kio ta hira gbata na bo mi va dranwa wa mi ma va senana na ke gomo kran wa o va we be mi amado mi apa shigba o va didim potom ta nana mai akpena mi
Francisca Hodo mi me di ma glo nye benade Ghana vijiji minye mi le kodam mi le ticket home le mi apenu jajira o me menye mi am o kata yi suku le dukomo mi le ticket home geografia mi le geograham mi vole dukomo pepe de mi anti me nye dumevi o ya o be mi ke ya o be mi ke mi se gomota mi kuku de no bana no didu no ojina me be mi am yo mi suku o ha de mi akpo gboje na mi apo lobon afia ku ape
no gojo le body afia ya o to lo wala boda ya no ku yo ana ne ya yo pe de jo mi kwa ko dare na isi ma madame Mas que era a prova que eu nunca cantava como le défi comme mieux combien bien alors.
Amen.
Na enya la ya ko gana ji du kwanto. Na no mo be ka ya ro bi ke mi ya le ya ba ya ro Councilor na toka one personal na kung kata niyo ma fight with Canada ya buru kana jukwani ikiwa tukosa ndo lenchi border system va kaka dashina ba kwa Aflao ufia kwa mopo kumana kele collection mala ka border jeko nada kama tuna border va fia kwa kuto royalty ana kama libe kwa na tu border ko ene teru ko buru ko na ka ko da ka não suela não suela tenti ajo border bo border do ba bo yo ho nya ho akodra jo alo nkata ma ko na de yugo o no ma no la border ucho connection na border yo wo mo ya na me yo wo street light na me madam ni tu senior high school le border via ou bisa juga na ku wa do kwenya no lero school for chipoji no bana ba tu ya ba ni to ba ga tu mi la ji ka su kwa do school feeling ku na me una su kwa ava collapse ba yo ya bono dan de bio apa ba ina ba to ya tu fa na ko aka wala rice wo dara store house afima wọ́n ti jìbò kúkúrò ọlọ́gá yàtọ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ àti máa ń dáná lè fi owó dé lábàá sọ wọ́n pé òun dé ní mọ́ bá mọ́ bá àwọn lórí ìdáná ọ̀dà yìí lábàá ẹ̀dẹ̀kù kẹlẹ̀ náà láti wá sí wọn lọ fún wa ọmọ náà wọ́n yìí náà nana kẹ́mọ́ lẹ̀ Aflao tó ọmọ fi ẹ̀yìn kí wọ́n tó àṣẹ di bẹ́ ẹ̀dọ̀tí òun ká miapa center collection mo Aflao center commander revenue exceed mu ya menya gbae kaka street lights de ti ama won to wo asebe come fa madam no won to mo do ji na kodi wa kule wa kule ya asebe do aga ko nka super jo dogo for the ta ka gbogbo onimiyọ yẹn si task wa ẹjọ yà ká tani ní a strike percentage alo yàtọ̀ yẹn wọ́n blẹ́nu yẹn tó I travel all over the world. I'm currently the president of the Forum of Kings and Traditional Leaders of Africa. This year alone, I went to Mali, DRC, Cameroon, and Kenya, and I just returned from Uganda 2 weeks ago. Even when you go to those airports, they have levy for the traditional authority, entry levy. That goes to the traditional authority to maintain the area that we are going. Arrival levy, departure levy, you pay it directly to the traditional authorities. The serfs do collect these levies for the traditional authorities. The land belongs to some group of people. If we have a good tourism over here, people will travel and come. But if you don't have any money to maintain the tourism, the system, the road, the environment, how can we grow like that? All the revenue collection at the center goes directly to the national office. Nothing for the settlement. We can't develop like that. The council would not like to take anything from the national office. They should allow us just to generate something from the border, main border. Some entry allowance, some entry ticket has to be put there for at least for the traditional council to buy street lights and put it at the main border for them. They have been collecting the money, but the law does not guarantee my center command to use that money to do anything. What a system! In the night, your people will be guarding these borders at the interest of their lives. No security, no room, nothing. Not even cars, no logistics to protect your people. And the one the revenue comes direct to Accra, they will seize cars, Land Cruisers, pickups, they will seize it. The next day, they are in Accra. I mean, in my 27 years as the leader of my people, 27 years now. This year will be 28. So far as I'm concerned, self. So this is the time that they have realized that we should partner them for better tomorrow. They are welcome. They are welcome. We want to be part and parcel of what? The development, that project of this nation. We want our side to be represented. The next thing is that the nature of the Aflao border. We have problem there. Who is the owner of the border? It's another problem. The Serbs fighting migration fighting Serbs. Who is in charge? So allow me to be in charge. I will discipline them. Yes. That ego. Yes. So if we still have that infighting between the security situations and the border, it allows the border travelers to have their way through. At the interest of the government. The government will be the loser. They should realize that the priority of that border is the interest of the government, not the sex or immigration. No, but that has to be solved once and for all. So we are ready to partnership with the government. Last 2 years, I was with the Director General, GRA. We discussed a lot. It was only once in Grimo, once that the GRA have supported the celebration of a festival in Aflao. Surprising. So we should have a round table meeting after this discussion to sit down and plan and see why we have our shortfalls, so that next time we will not be abusing each other for not doing our jobs. So we are ever ready. We are ever ready. We are not. You know, we know. Yes. We are ready. When I was installed so early those days, in the year 2000, every 3 men, we do have ocean cells at the main border. Every 3 months. That time we have only one Ketu district from here to Akachi and Jojen. Yes. So every 3 months, sales will give me what they are selling: cloth, rice, drinks and other things. They will put it and give it to me. I was forwarding to the rest of the paramouses. They will bring their monies and pay the rest to the SEPs. So those times, they know that they have been taking something from the SEPs in Aflao, from Akachi, Joja, all those areas. So all of them, they have their interest in protecting the border over here. But right now, everything moves directly from Aflao to where? To Accra. So nobody is ready to what? To serve your people. If your people are driving their own cars to Accra, you see people hooting at them that they are taking these goods to where? To Accra. No general notice. Not even to the traditional council that sells at Aflao water is doing washing sales. So who have been coming to buy the things that they boast? I have my boys. They have been going with these people, reporting their fellow boys, citizens. They are passing here with their cars. They are passing here. They are passing there. The men will go and arrest them. The next day the cars are in Accra. I don't have even a single chief over here with a car. Not even a single chief. What an embarrassment. You can ask my assistant commissioners, and you can ask them. I drive what? RT. Yes, I drive an RT car from Togo. Give it to me. The Togolese authorities, BMW from Togo, and my people are here. Oh, what a disgrace. Togo authorities gave me an RT card to be using in my own country. Not even a bicycle. Look there. Underline.
Yeah.
This month, July and August, has been earmarked for tax education to educate the public to know their right and responsibility of paying tax. And one of the strategies that we have adopted is to partner with the leadership, the chief, and the influential in society so that they can talk to their subject or the people around them to also add their voice why they have to pay tax. It is the responsibility of everybody that earns income to pay tax, and these are the taxes that the government use to build roads, pay the workers, pay GSS, free education, and all the other things that government want to do. But the problem right now is only few people who are paying taxes, and then a few taxes that we collect are not enough to do everything that we are expecting as a citizen for government to do for us. So this year we are here to educate them that when you are bringing your things from Togo, don't pass through the unappropriate, pass through our offices, pay your tax, and that tax will go a long way to build this nation, and everybody will be happy, and then we will have a safe environment, a developed environment, and everybody will be happy.